Hello and welcome to my portfolio. You may be wondering, why should you hire Jenifer Matlacks? Well, it's because I have the experience and the qualifications it takes to become an effective and amazing teacher. I'm currently a full-time student at Stockton, and I'm also a commuter. I study elementary education, and I hope to become a kindergarten teacher in the near future. My overall goal is to become a creative, kind, and effective teacher. Here you can view my education and also my experience. One of my experiences was being an assistant teacher at the very prestigious Brunswick School in Jersey City. Here you can view my skills and languages that I have taken over the years. This is where I really shine. I was a part of the National Society of Student Scholars. I was on the Dean's List, and I was also part of the National Society of Leadership and Success. And I kept a 3.5 GPA. My philosophy you can view right here. Teachers are the foundation for learning, and my goal is to become a teacher that my students will be inspired by. Here you can contact my email, and you can view my phone number. You can also view my resume. Here are just a few portions of the projects that I've done in my instructional technology class, and these tools I will use for my future. And lastly, here are a few more. Thank you again.